how to create attendance. We are in the stream page right now. When we want to create an attendance, we'll move to classwork. Now, till now we have been making attendance through assignments. Now we'll take a different path and we'll go to create. We'll go to question. In question, the topic we write attendance with the date. So today's date is 1st October 2020. You can just write please mark. This is optional. You need not essentially write it. Please mark your attendance. Now here just go to multiple choice. The moment you go to multiple choice, you see options. So here in the right hand side, I went and I chose multiple choice. In this, just go to option 1 after that and write present. No need to add any option 2. Just write present here. That is it. Now when students see it, they would see, okay, that you have to mark present here, and that is how they'll mark their attendance. Just this was by default ticked, so just untick it. Okay, so this portion is done, this portion. Now we'll move to this. Here you have to make it ungraded. Due date, please put a due date. So today's date is, say for example, 1st October. So by today, if you want, you can put the time of your class, that is optional, but at least you need to put the date. So by today, people have to mark their attendance. Topic, so there are 3 topics already created: British fiction in India and partition literature. Now if you are taking a class of British literature, please choose British literature. If you are taking a class of fiction in India, please choose fiction in India. If you are taking a class in, say, partition literature, so click partition literature. So I am taking this attendance for partition literature, so I have clicked on partition literature. Now everything is done here. Okay, so students will mark present and their attendance will be done. Alright, now you can also schedule it by clicking on it, but for schedule you'll have to do it one day before. So right now I'm not scheduling it, but you can do it this way: schedule, and say for example I want to schedule it for tomorrow 11 AM, I can do it. Okay, so it's written must be scheduled before due date, so I can schedule it only for tomorrow, so you can do it a day before that. Okay, and just go and click on ask, so that would be posted your attendance. So for revision again, question, you write attendance, then date. Here you choose multiple choice. Then here it's optional, you did not exactly write every day, but we can write if you want to. Please mark your attendance. Here when you choose multiple choice, just create one option, present, because you need not create the other absent, because if somebody is present, will always mark present. That's it. So we have created the attendance, and we're doing this because when we were creating assignments, some students were having difficulty in accessing or in turning in the attendance, and some did not have the option, they said. So we're doing it and seeing that if this works better than the assignment thing. So remember, we are choosing question here instead of assignment. Alright, okay, so now I'll post it. Okay, so this has been posted. Attendance 1/10/2020. Okay, now there's another thing, that when we are posting any material, when we create the material, so any material, okay, remember you have to choose the topic. So again, topic is British fiction and partition. So it becomes easier for the students to access whatever material they want to. So if they want to study something or look up some material pertaining to British literature, they can easily go to the topic of British literature and look for it. Okay, so same for fiction in India and partition literature. So this helps. So say for example, there are many material that has been posted. So say Ataya Hussein's After the Storm. Now if the student is looking for After the Storm, they would know that they'll have to go and look for it under this topic of partition literature. So please take care that when you are posting a material, you are choosing the topic beforehand. So it becomes easy to sort the material and easy for students to look for the material. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.